Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today is Thanksgiving. It is a solo Thanksgiving. So if you've been following me, you know I had to stay home. I'm gonna go see my parents, but that's okay. I'm gonna be celebrating alone. So the goal is I'm cooking, have turkey in the oven. I'm gonna make some mac and cheese. There's gonna be some herb cauliflower rice and some vegetable. Very simple. I'm not doing any dessert because it's just me alone, and I feel like I would just sit here and eat an entire pie alone. I don't need to gain no more weight. So that's not happening. So that is the plan to eat. And then I'm going to try and decorate this, bookshelf a little with some holiday stuff. So I bought these. It's a little bit of a mess on the floor. Hopefully this thing doesn't shed that much. But this is what I'm going to put on here. And then I have some lights. So that's what I'm going to do. Just so this is as much a decoration as holiday I'm going to get. I'm not getting any tree. I'm just not getting any tree. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I downloaded a holiday book, and I plan on reading it and give you guys a review if you're looking for a holiday book to read. It's a short story, so it's going to, be short and simple because, I'm still doing NaNoWriMo. I am 4K towards 50, so I still have to drop 2K tonight and tomorrow. But I want to watch a holiday movie tonight. I want to be in the mood just to be festive, even though I'm by myself. So that is what I'm going to do today. So yeah, I'm going to pause for a little bit, do some writing, and then I'm going to start decorating the tree. Yeah. Look at this turkey. It is so juicy. Yes, guys. I think when it gets darker, it's gonna look better. Well, this is what I did. So I have and some lights. That's my backdrop for Vlogmas. And I got this joy thing here I really like. This I really was excited about because I get to flip this for the days leading up to Christmas. So we'll be starting with day 1 of Vlogmas. Yep. Right now we're just gonna be zeros, but I like that. And these. Now I do have one more light, so I'm gonna see what it looked like with one more. Okay, can't really see the light good in the camera because it's a lot of daylight. It's literally like 4 o'clock. Yeah, is it 4 o'clock? 3:30, so it's still bright. So when I look at it, it's dark, so it looks nice, but in the camera it's not. So, you know. But yeah, we're gonna just wait till it gets dark so we can really look at it. So this is the cauliflower and herbs. The turkey is done, and some mixed vegetable. Yeah, very simple, guys. Hey guys, so this is dinner. And this is the only thing that is Caribbean on the table. This is sorrel. And yeah, let's dig in. Hey guys, so I am finished with the book. It's called A Feast for the Senses, and I'm not sure who the author is again. Oh, Nicole Falls. Now, I don't remember ever reading anything from this author. I've seen her names a lot. But I was scrolling through Twitter when I found this, and I said, you know what? It's a holiday book. It's short. Let me read it today. I should be able to squeeze it in. And I did because I was able to finish writing early. And so, but it's good, guys. It's a cute story. It's just basically, I like you, you like me. We're not making moves, so somebody decided to intervene and have them in a situation where things happen. So it was really cute. One is in the restaurant industry, and the other one is a writer, and they have, you know, interesting family members and stuff. It was cool. It was like that Thanksgiving, you know, situation that you could think of. But other than that, I'm glad I'm able to get a story in today, because, you know, I'm doing the most with this NaNoWriMo, so I'm not being, you know, I'm not able to do a lot of reading, but that's okay. So anyway, today was good, guys. I survived my first time solo, and it just felt like another day. If it wasn't for like all the photos of people who are, you know, who live with their family, you know, it would feel like another day. But our family is really cool, and they check in, and friends check in, and, you know, so it was just whatever. So now I'm chilling. I'm gonna watch some Hallmark, because that's what I do. I like me some Hallmark this time of the year, and gonna watch, you know, and relax, and then go get some sleep and start tomorrow with the goal to finish this freaking book. Yay. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.